Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today guys we're talking about Triple Aero 15.6 Max. So guys, we know about this product is legit or scam. So guys, the price is $599. This is on promotions and a free payment from 54 per month. And so guys, this is ultimate cockpit style productivity booster crafted from premium aluminum, and it features three 15.6 inch and it's full HD guys, as you can see here on the screen, with three monitored screen. And it is required operation with three screen, perfect professionals of the move. And this is some pictures guys, as you can see here. The screen you can use, as you can see here, how it work guys. And this is how you can see from the screen guys. So guys, the traffic of this website or this product is on down from 87,000 to 20,000 K visitor. And guys, if I check the test score of the website, it is 65 on 100. It's small risk identified guys. This is not a good indicator to decide guys this products come out not good. So guys, this come are good. If I scroll down guys, this is how you can work this product guys. This meeting mode have integrated magnetic edge and compact setup and adjustable hang and built kickstand and USB, have USB, HDMI, and for all laptop aluminum design. It works for all devices, and this is all the features. So guys, unique design for any laptop. So, and performatic features. So guys, before take any action and before purchase this product, so guys, just do your own research. If I check on Trust Pilot guys, as you can see here, I see if I see review or not. I see some review guys on this website, but not exactly on this product. So all you have to do guys, just do your own research, and thanks for watching this video.